Greetings from the adventure of the future. Prepare to travel the world with unparalleled splendor and luxury. Introducing the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that is revolutionizing travel. Above all, Volkswagen's sleek, contemporary design is appealing because to its distinctive aerodynamic lines, which offer a shape that is both stylish and practical. You enter a universe that has been painstakingly prepared for every travel as the automatic sliding doors open with ease. This RV is powered by a number of cutting-edge engines designed for maximum efficiency and performance. There are two options: a quiet and eco-friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large capacity battery that offers an outstanding range for zero-emission excursions, and a potent plug-in hybrid diesel engine with quick torque for long-distance travel. A modern and user-friendly interface greets you as soon as you take the wheel. From the center console to the instrument panel, a large, curved touchscreen links all of the vehicle's crucial information and features. You can stay engaged and connected with a state-of-the-art entertainment system that effortlessly integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Numerous USB-C connections, wireless charging, and precise digital temperature management are dotted throughout to guarantee constant connectivity and ease. Style and utility are expertly balanced in the interior design. A cozy and welcoming ambience is produced by premium materials including certified lightwood, vegan leather upholstery, and soft, recyclable linens. Its modular design allows you to change the space as needed, turning it from a comfortable eating area during the day to a peaceful retreat at night. Though programmable LED ambient lighting provides a distinctive touch, large panoramic windows provide breathtaking vistas of every area. The bedroom ought to be a peaceful haven. After a day of exploration, a comfy queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress ensures restful sleep. The quantity of luggage you may carry is maximized by cleverly concealed storage areas around the walls and beneath the bed. A good night's sleep is made possible by soft lighting and blackout curtains, and optimal air circulation is encouraged by adequate ventilation. This small yet practical bathroom demonstrates that elegant design doesn't have to take up a lot of area. Features that save space without compromising comfort include rapid hot showers, fold-down sinks, and contemporary, energy-efficient cassette toilets. A mirror made of waterproof and easily cleaned materials that has built-in illumination might provide a fashionable touch. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome's kitchen is the embodiment of every daring cook's fantasy. You can make delectable meals anywhere you go with a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a spacious refrigerator freezer. It is a center for on-the-go cooking activities because of its movable eating area and enough storage space for supplies and equipment.